Welcome to Common Hacks. Here we are going to unlock the problem of installing application from unknown source in Micromax Bharath 1 phone. You should download some files from the link in the description. First of all, we want to power off the phone. Then click the hash button and power button simultaneously. This will lead to the fast boot mode. Then connect the phone to the PC using the USB cable. Just extract the file we have downloaded and open the folder. We have to move the CMD to the new folder. This is for getting the CMD to be opened in the folder. Just open the CMD and text file named Micromax Bharath 1 code and carefully paste the text to the CMD and press enter after pasting the text. You should paste the texts carefully and press enter after each text. This is common, just avoid it by more option and choose exception in antivirus. Just copy the reboot and paste in the CMD. After pasting the reboot, just press enter button. Then your phone will reboot from fast boot mode. Just click menu button and open notifications, and you can see debugging. Just open it. In this window you can see the debugging options. You just scroll down and you can see revoke USB debugging option just below USB debugging. Just click the revoke USB debugging and press OK. After that, go to USB debugging and just press it once and just press it again and give OK. Now just open the new folder, and we want to install the software named Minimal ADB Fastboot. We want to install it. Just double click on it and it will show a interface for installation, and just provide next button and finish it. Now a new CMD bar will pop up, and open the text file we have used previously, and after that copy the command adb debugging and paste in the command prompt and press enter. After that your phone will show a window. Just give a tick mark and press OK. Now we have to provide the last command from the text file, and just copy it and paste it in the CMD and provide enter. Now go to application folder, and we have to open the file explorer and open any application from external. We are using the INSATALL APK. Just press it, and you can see that an interface showing the installation of INSATALL. Just press install and choose as your wish. Now we can see that the INSATALL is installed in our phone. We achieved our target. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.